In today's video, I'll show you how to combine multiple images into one document instantly in Adobe Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open Photoshop and import all the images that you want to combine. Go to the File menu and click Open, then select your images and click Open again. Now you'll notice that every image opens in a separate tab. Many beginners manually drag one image into another document again and again, but there is a much faster method. Go to the top menu and click on File, then move down to Scripts and choose Load Files into Stack. A new window will appear, so here click the Add Open Files button and Photoshop will automatically detect all the images that are currently open in separate tabs. Now simply click OK. Photoshop will instantly create a brand new document and place every image into separate layers automatically. And by far, this is one of the fastest ways to combine multiple images for thumbnails, social media posts, or any creative project that you have in mind. And here's a quick bonus tip. After creating your new document, right-click on any alt image tab and choose Close Others to quickly clean up your workspace. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.